Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with, I wanted to show you a couple of Christmas cards that I made. And then I got an order from Jane's Agenda. And if you saw my post yesterday, Michael's was having a big sale on their Christmas stuff. So I picked up a couple of the things there. I think it was like 50% off. If not, it was close to that, 50 or 60. So here is the first card I made. I'm making these for my secret sister. I'm going to send her a big set of Christmas cards that she can use. And that, the pine branches that I hauled from Temu, I'm using some of those in this. So super cute, I think. It says Holly Jolly, and then I made this one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and then it has the Christmas mail on it. And then, so those are the two cards I've made so far. And I ordered some personal size inserts for my personal planner from Jane's Agenda. And they just give you a thank you card, which would look probably pretty good in your planner itself. And then I got the daily personal inserts. Let me show you what those look like. I got 3 of them, and it's a day on 1 page. So this, I believe it's for 3 months. And down this side you have your times, so you can put in your appointments, and then you have like a to-do list, and then a little space at the bottom. So I probably won't be decorating these quite as much, but it seems like more than 30 sheets though. But that, I got 3 of those. And I think I had a $10 or $20 off coupon from my birthday. And then for the Michael's order, they had their paper pads on sale for like $2.39, I think. And I got this one, Holiday Romance. I got this for my secret sister. I'll do a quick flip through, but it's super cute. There's a lot of cutouts, stamps, tags. So there is that one. And then I got the Christmas Shimmer. I like to use these as backgrounds in my cards. And they're just shimmery. They're not foil, they're just shimmer. You get 3 of each sheet. I don't know if you can see that shimmer or not. I think you can. Oh, 4 of each sheet. So there is that. And then I got 2 of these. I'm going to give one to my secret sister. And I think these are originally $4. I think these were like $1.98. And they're just like little embellishments with, they are 3D, and they're like swags. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up 1 of these foam stockings. I picked up 1 of the embellished trucks, cars that have the Christmas tree on them and the presents. I picked up 2 of these, one for my secret sister, and these are cardstock stickers. And then the last one that I picked up were these recollections. Shh. Annie, shh. It's okay. These are recollections, die-cut Santas and Santa hat, and they come in 2 of the skin colors. So that is all that I got at Michael's. I think I spent maybe $17. Annie, it's okay. Nobody's here. But that is my little haul from Jane's Agenda, my Christmas cards, and my Michael's. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. It helps more people see my videos. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.